I'm here to guide you through the process of changing your password on Facebook. It's straightforward, just follow these steps. Open the Facebook app and navigate to the home screen. Tap on the menu button, usually represented by three horizontal lines. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Account Center section. If you don't see it, you can search for Account Center instead. Once in the Account Center, tap on Password Security. Next, select Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current Facebook password. If you've forgotten it, check out our tutorial on password recovery. Now create a new password for your Facebook account. Make sure it's strong and unique. Retype the new password to confirm it. Once you enter and confirmed your new password, tap on Change Password. For Edit Security, you can click on the Select All button and choose Log Out to sync out of your Facebook account on all devices. Congratulations! You successfully changed the password for your Facebook account. If you encounter any issue or need further assistance, feel free to check out our other tutorials or reach out to Facebook support.